Hello student, in previous video we saw the information about the left-wing extremist terrorist activity in some areas. In that we saw the Naxalism, Telangana movement, Maoist movement in the left-wing extremism. Today we'll see the next part of this lesson, that is called the terrorism. Terrorism has been defined as an application of violence or the threats to use the violence with an intention to create the panic in the society. Means the main purpose of the terrorism is to create the fear among the people. The visual image of today's terrorism is that of an act of mass destruction driven by abstract and one-sided thinking, creating an atmosphere of a terror among the innocent people. Means to create the fear among the innocent people by consciously committing act of violence in crowded places, disrupting the social order. In such a terrorist attack are carried out the peculiar political and some religious purposes. These types of attack or these types of terrorism were held purpose of religious and the peculiar political. These are the several terrorist organizations active today. Terrorism has become a very serious and global problem. Nowadays, terrorism has become a very serious global problem in many countries across the world have suffered due to these terrorist attacks in several times. Terrorist activities. India has the most vulnerable country to get exposed to the terrorist attack in the last 30 to 35 years. Means in the country, the India, this terrorist attack in last 30 to 35 years it is held in India. The many terrorist attacks were Pakistan sponsored and supported. Many terrorist organizations the Pakistan has sponsored and supported that organization to do the attack and do the terrorism in the country. While some other attack, some national influence and the anti-national ideology were involved. However, the sleeper cell that accommodate the locals and the foreign help separatists showing open arms support to the terrorists with a foreign help to continue the attack. Means some separatists have given their open arms support to this terrorist organization to attempting the military doctrine bleed India with the 1,000 cuts. The government and the people are some peculiar traits of the terrorism in India. We'll see now the sum of the example of the international terrorist attack were held. The attack of the United States, popularly called as the 9/11 attack, which is held in the New York, that is on the World Trade Center. In 2015, there are some series of terrorist suicide bomb attack at Bali, Indonesia. In 2015, there were 3 suicide bombers attacked during the football match in city of Paris in France. In 2017, an attack took place in London Bridge in United Kingdom. In many attack and the terrorist activity held in many countries. Some other in our country, 12 March 1993 in Mumbai, a serious bomb blast in that 257 people died and 717 people injured in that bomb blast. In 15 Feb 1998, Coimbatore, the series of bomb blast in that 58 people died and 2000 people injured in that. In 13 December 2001, the Delhi Parliament House, the nature of the attack is a physical attack, the less damage but attack on the country's reputation. In Mumbai attack in 26 November 2008 in Mumbai, suicide attack in that 164 people died and 308 people injured in that. Apart from above, the constant attack took place on the military bases at Uri, Pathankot and Pulwama, etc. We will see now the precautionary measures on this terrorism or terrorism attack to prevent the terrorist attack. The government take almost effort to prevent the terrorist attack. The government took almost effort to control against this attack. These include improving the intelligence system. They have improved their intelligence system, providing the crucial information to the state, and they are provide the crucial information for the state against this terrorist activity, terrorist attack, controlling the rumors and more, controlling on the rumors those are spread in a country about the terrorism. Next one, how to do to prevent the terrorist attack. The following precautions should be taken to prevent any terrorist activity in our area. Always be alert but not to spread the fear. Always we have to alert but we have to not to spread the fear among the people. Report to the police about the suspicious activity or the stranger suspect. We have to immediately report to the suspicious activity which held in our area. We have to give the information to the police immediately to help to maintain the good governance. We have to help how to maintain the good governance in the country, in our area. Reconciliation between one another. The third important part, what if a terrorist attack unfortunately took place? Unfortunately, any terrorist attack took place. That time what we have to take the precaution. If there is an unfortunate accident of the terrorist attack in our area, deal with this. Do not rush to the scene of attack. We have to not to rush to the scene of attack. Let the governing bodies do their job. We have to support the governing body to do their proper job. Help and support to the injured people. We have to help the injured people immediately. Do not spread the rumors from that activity. We have to not to spread the rumors. Bring the public life in a normal as soon as possible. We have to bring the normal public life as soon as possible. Give support to the people. Give proper help to the people to come in a normal life as soon as possible. Do not support the ill attempt or spreading the fear. We have to not to support the people to commit to attempt the spreading those fear among the people. So student, I hope you understood this part, that is the terrorism. Next part we'll see in next video, that is terrorism in Northeast India. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.